Query successful, try again without apps. Ever feel like online fraud is a relentless game of whack-a-mole? For merchants everywhere, the battle against fraudulent transactions, chargebacks, and data breaches is a constant, exhausting struggle. Every lost dollar chips away at your profit, and every false decline risks losing a genuine customer forever. It's a challenge that requires more than just basic security. It demands a sophisticated, layered defense. So, how does Paysafe step in to help merchants turn the tide and reduce fraud effectively? Paysafe approaches fraud prevention not with a single tool, but with a multi-layered, evolving strategy that combines cutting-edge technology with human expertise. First, they utilize advanced analytics and machine learning. This isn't just a simple fraud filter. Paysafe's systems analyze millions of transactions in real time to detect suspicious patterns and behavioral anomalies that a human might miss. This self-learning algorithm constantly adapts to new fraud tactics, providing a predictive layer of defense that stops fraud before it even happens, while minimizing those frustrating false positives that block legitimate sales. Second is their suite of robust security tools focused on card-not-present transactions, which are the most vulnerable. They employ industry-standard protocols like CVV2 and Address Verification System (AVS) checks, but they go further with device fingerprinting and IP geolocation. These tools essentially create a digital profile of the customer's device and location, helping to verify if the transaction truly matches the cardholder. Crucially, Paysafe provides expert risk management services. They have dedicated teams of analysts with decades of experience who monitor chargeback trends and offer one-on-one consulting. This means merchants get personalized advice and support, especially in high-risk industries, helping them tailor their defenses and navigate complex regulations. Finally, by offering a diverse range of alternative payment methods, like their digital wallet Skrill and NetEller, and the eCash solution PaySafeCard, they inherently reduce a merchant's card-based fraud exposure. These options often carry built-in security and chargeback protection, diluting the overall risk profile of the business. In essence, Paysafe provides a comprehensive shield, from real-time intelligent monitoring to expert guidance and diversified payment options, all working together to keep your business safe and profitable. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.